Hello. On the set of Artcam 2011. We are together in the 20th lesson. Pez in the 20th lesson. We will see the Elon blind command. This is also a copy command. Next to you block. And routine copy. It is not on a certain plane like. Copy on free shapes. We can. Here is a free drawing. Let's think about our shape. Or like this. In this way. I thought we had a form. Or we are waiting for a closed one. Let's think about it. To any of these. Any of our shapes. We are copying. For example, we want to copy this. Let's exceed it. In this type of copying method. Our shape will be selected first. Shift Calibeton. Shift long press. The second shape will then be selected. Then Command. We are coming. Pez Elon blind command. Let's close it. Here. Specifinim is in an active state. Entered the box here. The value we are. It indicates our number of copies. I wrote 10 of them. I wrote 10 of them. He copied 10 of them. Some of the pieces were copied. And my shape, central point. Of the circle. To the line of the circle. It happened to match. And it's all the same. Equidistant. It happened. Others will try this too. If we are. Your shape. Arc shape, according to the form. He was going to copy this again. Believe in the center point. And the line. Center point with line. To be one. To copy. Did. In the other two. If we do. As you see, angle of the straight line. Anyway, to the opener. Upright. So 90 degrees. Positioning. And center points. It's over the line. There is another option attached. This option is attached. Copy number. Not but. Option to enter distances. Well. Of the center point. Two shapes. Of the center point. Center to center. By entering the distance. Do not copy basic. This way do it. When we say 50 millimeters, those two. Distance of 50 millimeters. Should be. We are saying. Call this here and here. It will be 50 millimeters. According to that. He must determine. It means. Related to this command. That's all I have to say. See you next lesson.